everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Cognizant complete pattern plus round 1, round 2, round 3 questions. This video is about GenC, GenC-Next, GenC-Pro Cybersecurity rule. This is an on-campus placement which is occurred on July 2025. Coming to the LPA, 4, 5.4, 6.75 LPAs respectively. Based on the roles, the LPAs are decided. Okay, let us going into the video. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. This is the ratio between not subscribed and subscribed people. Consider subscribing to my channel if you feel them as worthy. Okay, coming to the Cognizant company, the roles are in this way. GenC means 4 LPA, GenC-Pro 5.4 LPA, GenC-Next means 6.75 LPA. The it starts from resume shortlisting. Based on the certificates uploaded during the registration and performances in the assessments, candidates were shortlisted for the specific roles for GenC, GenC-Pro and GenC-Next. While applying, selecting no for relocation or technology preferences could result in not being shortlisted. So be careful while applying for the role. So if you select for no options for relocation, they might not select you. Okay, ensure that 10th and 12th passing years are correctly mentioned, right? I hope you got clear idea on these instructions. Let us going into the end the slide. Recruitment overall process. First, initial screening. There will be initial screening and then communication assessment, aptitude and gamified assessment, technical assessment, technical plus HR interview. Round 1, initial screening. Once the application was submitted, eligible candidates were automatically shortlisted and received invitations for the assessments. So, based on the initial screening, you will get the mails from Cognizant, right? Round 2 is a communication assessment. Duration is 30 minutes. Mode online via Superset. Okay, it is a platform. Superset is a platform through which you are going to take the communication assessment. Focusing areas are communication and listening skills, grammar correction, sentence formation, fluency and pronunciation, and obstacles in this round are the audio was fast paced and required full concentration to answer the comprehension task correctly, right? If you are good with communication test, you are eligible for the next round, aptitude and gamified assessment. The round 3 is 90 minutes. 30 aptitude problems will be given. Cutoff in this section is maintained and time management is the key in this section. After aptitude round, you will have a game based questions like detective challenge, switch challenge and deductive challenge and grid challenge, etc. The more you play, the better score you will get. The mode is online. Out of 24 games, 4 games were randomly chosen. Reaching at least level 9 to 10 in the each game was recommended. And focusing areas are quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and puzzle solving through gamified scenarios. Key tasks: pattern recognition, mathematical reasoning and decision making in real-time game environments. Obstacles: adaptive difficulty and tight timing made the puzzles tricky to solve under pressure. Because the time counts and you feel tense, so you have to think carefully as the puzzles are too tricky, right? This round is both aptitude and gamified assessment. 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes, you have to solve 30 aptitude problems. So you have to be very thorough with the aptitude. So and again, you also get the gamified challenge. Okay, out of 24 games, 4 games were randomly chosen. Okay, so play well and write the assessment good, right? If you feel this information as very informative, if you feel this video as very informative, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Coming my videos, I will make on round 4 and HR and technical questions, right? Thank you so much for supporting Mindbender. Thank you.